Out here with Jadon, chasing some squid this afternoon. Sun's starting to set. Got about what, 20 minutes, half an hour, you reckon?
Not
if
even,
that.
yeah.
Till we lose light. But we'll give it a crack and see how we go. Cheers, guys.
Oh, you got another one.
I got two, man.
You got another one, did
Yeah.
you? How'd your name go? You get 100 subscribers.
Yeah. It's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is for permission. You filming right now? You're not. It's gonna stink too, I reckon. I had curry for lunch. Oh, there he is. Two of them. Jadon's just got one, and there's two of them sitting back there.
Yes, I've got this in the bag. It's about as big as a jig.
Doesn't matter.
Got
Oh,
him.
ah, twice.
Tiny.
Doesn't matter. Still a squid. Where'd you go?
I reckon the loser's got to eat a tentacle.
Raw tentacle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only since I'm winning.
Only because you're winning. Right on that sunset too.
Yeah.
Well, at least we know that they're not complete unicorns out here at the moment. The old kayaker. Well, they fell on you back in again. Just dreaming.
I have a few next. I can't see one.
No, there was another two.
Same size?
Yeah. Yeah, they weren't any bigger. There's a squid. Woo! Just got him too. Oh, I think I win size.
It's pretty pathetic.
They can do a squirt, get rid of his ink. Oh, you don't try and bite me. You
Bite it.
bastard. I think that was his mate. They said they weren't big. Alright guys, the squid that I got was like 1 centimetre smaller than Jadon's. And the rules were loser eats a squid tentacle. So, I'm not looking forward to this. Just a second. I cut it off at the base. There we go. Just, I don't know if you can see that. It's stuck to my finger. All right, there it is. There it is there. Tiny little squid tentacle. I suppose bottoms up. It's a bit sandy. It was sand in my bucket. I should have washed it. It's not bad. Like it's
You gonna do that more often? My camera's way better than yours.
nah, look at mine. It's compact.
Look at you trying to hold your little camera there. It's so small. Alright, well that was absolutely pathetic. They were probably the tiniest squid that are going around in Rocco, but
Yeah, but we got them. That's the important part.
all a bit of fun. Catch you next time, guys.
I don't recommend eating raw squid tentacles on the boat because it's not great, eh? Cheers, guys. Oh, well, we're back at the boat ramp. I mean, it's an epic night out here in terms of sunset and that. Oop, probably should keep hold of the jetty. And yeah, look, got the 2 squid, 1 each. Mine was smaller, and I ate that squid tentacle. And I'll tell you what, it was disgusting. Squid needs to be cooked, because eating it raw, oh, the taste in my mouth right now is so bad. It's like, how do I explain the taste? It's definitely like, because it's not like a raw fish flavour that you eat like sashimi. The squid's a whole different flavour. And it's like a salty, I don't even know how to explain it right now. I'm like speechless in terms of, well, not speechless because I'm talking like an idiot right now, but it's just, yeah, like the raw saltiness is just so different, so different. I've never tasted anything that's similar, that I can explain it, that it tastes like. If you're into eating sashimi, yeah, I agree, sashimi is awesome. Raw fish is amazing, but raw squid, no thank you. No thank you. Alright, boat's coming down, the trailer's coming down, get the boat on, we're going to head home. It was an epic afternoon in terms of weather. Squidding wasn't great, but hey, look, we had some fun. Alright guys, catch you next time.